Sanya becomes cyber smart, and Ethernet production.
Hi Sanya. I heard that you just completed a cyber smart program organized by Republic of Siberia.
Yes. It was a great experience. You all should join the next batch.
But I already know how to use a computer. I regularly use email, browse websites and download games.
And I already use many social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter and even LinkedIn. I don't need to join the Cyber Smart program.
That is simple stuff that almost everyone knows today. Even my 5-year-old sister can do all this and more. The Cyber Smart programs are about so much more than just computer basics or browsing a few websites.
What do you mean? Tell us more.
Okay. You all know that the internet is a global network of computers. The World Wide Web is a system of interlinked documents accessible via the internet. In the Cyber Smart program we first explored the basics of how the internet works. We also understood a lot about IP addresses and the domain name system. Mozilla Firefox is probably the best browser in the world today. It is also the browser recommended for viewing and accessing all Republic of Siberia websites. We explored many features of the Firefox browser.
This is basic stuff. Tell me more.
Shopping online offers lots of benefits that you won't find shopping in a store or by mail. The internet is always open, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and bargains can be numerous online. But there are some peculiar problems that you can face while shopping online. We explored the Cyber Smart Guide to Online Shopping. We also played the Siberia shopping game. The next activity was called Hackers at the Airport, an introduction to wireless security. Wireless network is a term commonly used for a method of accessing high-speed internet without the computer being linked by cables. A wireless network can connect computers in different parts of your home or business without a tangle of cords and enable you to work on a laptop anywhere within the network's range. We explored the basics of wireless networks, the circle of wireless security and wireless security tips. Our next activity was fun with fonts. A font is a complete character set of a single size and style of a particular typeface. We learned how to install and use fonts on the computer. We also cracked a coded message.
Did you learn about P2P software?
What is P2P software?
Peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing allows users to share files online through an informal network of computers running the same software. File sharing can give you access to a wealth of information, but it also has a number of risks. Nutella is a large peer-to-peer network which, at the time of its creation, was the first decentralized peer-to-peer network of its kind. In our next activity we learned about P2P file sharing, its risks and safety measures.
All this sounds very interesting. Let's have lunch and then continue our discussion.
As you know, a password is a secret word or string of characters used for authentication. Passwords have been in use for centuries before the birth of computers. In the modern technology-driven world, passwords are commonly used to identify and authenticate users. Right from your email account to your online banking account, passwords are used everywhere. In the next activity, we learned about the types of passwords. We also learned simple ways of creating strong passwords. It was real fun using the Siberia password meter to check the strength of various passwords. We also used the cool Siberia password generator.
Did you learn about advanced Google usage?
But Google is so simple to use.
There is so much information on the internet that efficiently searching for the relevant data has become an art. In the next activity we explored 10 advanced Google usage methods.
Did you learn about binary, hexadecimal and octal?
Yes, we did. We learnt about the basics of these 3 numbering systems. We also learnt how to use the binary clock.
Tell us more, please.
Let's go to the police station to meet Inspector T. She will tell us about the next activity.
Hello kids.
Hello Inspector T. Will we learn about cybercrime?
Will we learn about financial crimes, email scams, phishing, trojans,
spyware, computer viruses and worms?
Yes. All this and more. You will also explore the basics of cybersecurity. There is also an activity on smart social networking. Online social networks are great when you want to chat, share photos and play games with your friends and other people interested in the same things as you. Social networks you may have heard of include Facebook, MySpace and Twitter. This activity covers bullying on social networks, online privacy settings, fake online profiles, general social media tips. There is also an interactive social media quiz game. Where did they all suddenly go?
To take admission before all the seats fill up. To know more, email us on siberia@data64.com.